Hi, this is Danielle Carpenter. Welcome to English 102. I'm going to try to keep these videos under 5 minutes, and my goal is just to introduce you to this week's learning. So for English 102, a couple things you need to know. One, every week I post a weekly recap on the overview page, and it's going to tell you what you need to do that week. It tells you when the assignments are due, a quick explanation of the assignment, point value, and where you can find it in LaLima. For instance, the first one, LaLima Syllabus or LaLima Messages tool. So definitely visit that. The weeks open every Friday by noon. So Friday at noon, you can click on it and see what is due that week. The syllabus, an important thing to print out. Okay, you're going to read the syllabus, look at the course calendar, familiarize yourself with it. Let me know if you have any questions, and you can print it using the printer icon. I post weekly announcements, so I usually send these announcements to your hawaii.edu email address too. So check the announcement tools for new announcements and check your hawaii.edu email. Weekly lessons. This is where the course content is. It's where you're going to find videos, my explanations, and it's basically the teaching material. So read it, watch the videos, let me know if you have questions. And then again, at the bottom of the weekly lessons, you will find the weekly recap. So again, it lists what you need to do that week. And the way I have the course organized is that like week 2 opens this Friday, May 29th, but then the material is not due, not that weekend, but the following weekend. So you have 2 weekends to complete the assignments. So this is ideal for working students, parents, etc. Okay, forums. A forum is where you're going to have our class discussions. So, for instance, this week's forum is called Student Introductions. It's where we're going to get to know each other. Click on Student Introductions. You start a new conversation. But before you do that, you want to read the directions. So, read this information. You can write out your response in Microsoft Word document first and then copy and paste it into the forum so that way you don't lose your work. All right, so in order to post in the forum, again, you hit start a new conversation. Give it a title. You post your answer. If you're copying and pasting it from Word, you can use this little copy and paste. Okay. All right. The other thing you should know, let's talk about Padlet. Okay, Padlet is a new tool I'm using this semester. It's really exciting. I think it's going to be great for us to get to know each other and just to work in a more interactive way. So if you look at the weekly recap at the bottom, it says Learning Styles Padlet. It's a link. Click on it. I have it open here. Okay, anyway, we are going to take a quick questionnaire, find out your learning style, and you're going to post on this Padlet. So you're going to read these instructions. I have the steps numbered. So start by taking the VARK questionnaire, click on that link. Once you figure out what your learning style is, it says to go ahead and research it a little bit, find out what does it mean to be a visual learner or an auditory learner or a kinesthetic learner, etc. Then you are going to suggest study strategies for that learning style. Okay, and step 4 says find one web tool, a website, an app, like a Google Chrome extension, something that aligns with your learning style that a student could use to succeed on a college exam or assignment. Okay, in order to post here, you're going to click, let's say I'm a visual learner. I'm going to click under visual learner. I can title my post. I can write my explanation here. And then this is so cool. You can do many things. You can upload attachments. You can link to websites. You can add videos. You can draw. You can record your screen. So be creative. Have fun with this. You can record your voice. So so again, this is kind of like an interactive place, and throughout the semester you can come back to it and look at, you know, different websites that might help you in college, help you study and learn the material. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions this semester. Watch this video as much as you want to, and feel free to send me a message through the Laulima messages tool if you need to get a hold of me. Okay, take care.